Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Dr. Michael Khendo, Assistant Professor, Punjab University Campus, Maud, Bathinda, Punjab. Today I am going to present paper on the topic Science and Technology, Blessing and Curse. So I am going to start. Today, science and technology come to the play key role in almost every branch of human activity. The wondrous advancement of science and technology in different spheres has completely changed the pace of way of living of the person present society. If our forefathers could rise from their grave, they would be amazed and bewildered to see the present world. In the field of education, health, transportation, banking, defense, communication, the progressive use of the newer scientific and technological equipment has changed the spectrum of functioning. The gradual use of computers in all walks of life has changed the means and modes of utilizing time and energy of present society. Blessing. If we think about it, there are numerous benefit of science and technology. They range from the little things to the big one. For instance, the morning paper which we read that deliver us reliable information is a result of scientific progress. In addition, the electrical devices without which life is hard to imagine, like a refrigerator, AC, microwave, and more are a result of technological advancement. Furthermore, if we look at the transport scenario, we notice how science and technology play a major role here as well. We can quickly reach the other part of the earth within hours, all thanks to the advancing technology. In addition, science and technology have enabled man to look further than our planet. The discovery of new planets and establishment of satellites in space are because of the very same science and technology. Every new invention has its merit and demerits. No invention is itself blessing or a curse. If it is used with which the human being does to make it a blessing. Curse. Science and technology has given the man power. He has put the world at the threshold of ruin. The science and technology have done wonders in inventions of warheads, nuclear and atomic weapons. Science and technology has given the man power. He has put the world at the threshold of ruin. The science and technology have done wonders in inventions of warheads, nuclear and atomic weapon and space warship, thus putting the entire world at ruinous peril. A switch can destroy the whole world. We had seen the devastation and destruction caused by the atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and now there are more scientific, more accurate warheads available that can destroy the whole world within an hour. The invention of chemical weapons are also jeopardize the whole civilization that may put the humanity in danger of incurable disease. The rapid progress in genetic engineering can make it possible to develop clone of human being. The disastrous effect of such invention can ruin every fabric of morality, ethics, and the civilization. The fast development in science and technology has put the balance of nature in great danger. The present day air, water, and noise pollution, the gradual global warming has put the existence of the world at stake. With rapid industrialization, particularly in developed countries, has resulted into imbalance in nation of ration of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the environment. As per the report of Harley Center UK, by 2050 the trees and soil will start falling and perishing due to the global warming if no corrective measures are taken. In brief, science and technology has brought both good and evil to the present world. No invention or technological advancement is itself bad or good. It is the user who turns it into blessing or curse. Machines are created for the luxury and comfort of man. If we use them to destroy others, they become curse, and otherwise machines are blessing. It is the man who has to ponder over the question what he wishes to make the world a heaven or a hell. It is his decision which makes the science and technology a blessing of a curse. In conclusion, we must admit that the science and technology have led human civilization to achieve perfection in living. However, we must utilize everything in wise perspective and to limited extents. Misuse of science and technology can produce harmful consequences. Therefore, we must monitor the use and be wise in our action. Thank you. Thank you.